This lightweight aluminum pipe wrench, weighing just 2.2 pounds, is designed for both professional and home use. With a working range of 11 to 24 inches, it handles various pipe nuts and screws. Its double coil springs provide durability, while serrated clamps ensure a firm grip. The ergonomically designed handle offers comfort, and the adjustable nut allows precise control. Ideal for heavy-duty tasks, this wrench combines strength and ease of use, making it a must-have tool for any toolbox. The Demo-Dek Tool simplifies the removal of old wooden decking. Its long wooden handle provides excellent leverage, reducing strain on your back and lower body. This tool efficiently pries and lifts boards secured with nails, screws, or fasteners without causing damage. Perfect for professional or DIY use, its durable metal head ensures longevity. Whether working on small projects or large renovations, this tool makes dismantling decking quick and effortless, saving you time and energy. The Makita Worklight is a reliable solution for construction and outdoor tasks. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, it ensures compatibility with Makita cordless tools. The tripod design offers stability, extending to 7 feet 3 inches for excellent coverage. Built from durable aluminum and reinforced plastic, it's lightweight and portable. 3 brightness settings, 3000, 700, and 900 lumens, cater to various needs. A carry handle and optional strap add convenience, making this light a versatile choice for any workspace. The Ryobi Cordless Planer is a portable tool powered by an 18-volt rechargeable battery. Its powerful motor delivers a speed of 11,000 revolutions per minute for smooth and efficient cuts. This planer can handle widths up to 11/16 inch and depths of up to 0.6 inch. Equipped with reversible blades, it offers long-lasting performance. The automatic stand protects the blade when not in use. Additional features include a dust bag and precision guide, making it perfect for versatile woodworking tasks. The MegaPRO Screwdriver combines durability with convenience, making it ideal for professionals and DIY users. Its synthetic rubber handle ensures a comfortable, non-slip grip during extended use. The lightweight steel shaft is strong yet easy to handle. The built-in bit holder stores 6 double-sided bits for quick access. Its rotating cap prevents blisters while enhancing precision. With added functionality like the hex wrench, this screwdriver is a versatile and efficient addition to any toolbox. This hammerless striking tool is perfect for precise nailing. Compact and easy to carry, it uses a spring mechanism to deliver an impact force of up to 3,500 pounds per square inch. 2 interchangeable heads allow for versatility, ideal for most nail sizes. Made from hardened steel, it's built for durability. The recessed tip ensures accurate nail placement without damaging surrounding material. Whether in tight spaces or on the go, this tool is a portable and reliable choice. The Crimping Tool provides precise crimping for heat shrink connectors. It features 3 slots for wires of varying sizes, ensuring secure connections. Constructed from durable metal, the tool includes non-slip rubber handles for comfort and control. The ratchet mechanism applies consistent pressure, preventing wire damage and improving safety. Its straightforward design allows easy operation, making it a must-have for electrical tasks. Whether for home or professional use, this crimper delivers efficiency and reliability. Spyder Stinger Bits are perfect for fast, precise woodworking. Made from strong steel, these bits tackle tough wood with ease. The set includes 3 sizes, offering versatility for various tasks. Beyond wood, they are suitable for materials like plywood, plastic, and chipboard. The unique tooth tip ensures smooth drilling without slipping, while the self-sharpening head prevents jamming. Whether for professional or DIY projects, these bits deliver outstanding performance and long-lasting reliability. The BOSCH Professional Blower combines power and convenience for versatile tasks. Its 18-volt battery powers an airflow speed of 167 miles per hour, perfect for clearing debris. Despite its strength, it operates quietly at just 71 decibels. The ergonomic design and anti-slip handle ensure comfort during use. With multiple attachments, including a hose option, it adapts to different needs. Ideal for various environments, this blower is a reliable tool for quick and efficient cleaning. The MegaPRO Cordless Rivet Gun ensures efficient riveting for various materials. Powered by an 18-volt battery, it handles blind rivets of different sizes with precision. Its brushless motor enhances durability and minimizes maintenance. The tool is resistant to overheating, ensuring long-term reliability. Compatible with MegaPRO batteries, it's versatile and efficient for tasks involving aluminum, steel, or stainless steel. Designed for durability and ease, this rivet gun is an essential tool for professional projects. The SKIL router table enhances woodworking precision and stability. Designed for handheld routers, its flat surface ensures smooth operation. Adjustable guides and stops allow for flexibility during tasks like shaping corners or profiles. A built-in cleaning system keeps the workspace tidy, improving efficiency. Side storage compartments provide organization for accessories, keeping them within reach. Durable and user-friendly, this router table is perfect for woodworking projects of any scale.